Welcome to Enthusiast Autohaus and our 1989 Dodge Colt. It has just under 44,900 miles. It's a 1.5 liter inline 4-cylinder, 4-speed manual transmission. It's a Mitsubishi in disguise. It has recent tune-up, oil service, fuel pump main relay, new tires. It's a great running and driving little rad-era car. Really, it's one of those slow cars that's very fun to drive fast. Outside, overall pretty good. Has some miscellaneous dings and spots, but presents well. The old graphics are definitely worn. Inside, the seats are in nice shape with no rips or tears, no major wear on even the outer bolsters, and that's on both front seats and the rear seats. Basically no wear on the steering wheel. All the gauges here work properly. Has hot heat, cold AC. Here's the center stack with those controls. The radio doesn't operate quite right, and I don't know why. 4-speed manual. Could use a shift boot and an emergency brake boot. And it does have some cracking in the dash. 44,876 miles today. Door cards are both in nice shape. Headliner's in nice shape. Overall, just a fun little quirky car that you probably won't see another one of. So there you have it, our 1989 Dodge Colt.